Alright, YouTube, this is the BSD Forever V2 frame with a stolen roulette front rim, gangrene, with Odyssey CS2 forks, very strong forks, hold together real well, and a stolen convict stem. Very light, good. I recommend them. I recommend stem and forks. And these are the Odyssey lumberjack handlebars. Good welds, very strong. And these are the ODI long neck grips. First soft, then really sticky. Really recommend them. Really nice. And these are the Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. They really stick to your feet well. They're just really comfortable to ride. These are my Mission 2-piece crank arms. Very strong, hold together, don't come loose much. This and a stolen chain wheel 25 tooth with a Shadow Conspiracy Interlock 2 chain, black obviously, and a X-Rim C303 back rim. Nice, strong. And these are red McNeil pegs. Really thin, really light, but strong. Really smooth to grind on. This is the United Beacon seat. It is really soft, comfortable to sit on, with a metallic seat post. And then I have Animal TWW tires. Really good traction, real thick, strong, hold together real well. Light, really light, but thick, so like if you run over small thorns, don't get flats. And that's my bike check. And don't forget to see my unboxing for my pedals.
And soon to come, bars, pedals, and a park tool.
Bars, pedals, and a park tool. Alright?
Comment, rate, subscribe.